Welcome to the ESV Connect Complete a Certificate of Compliance demonstration. This demonstration video has been developed for ESV Connect users to enable efficient navigation of ESV Connect and completion of electrical installation certifications. In the ESV Connect dashboard, click My Installations on the left of the screen. Then click on the license or REC you need to complete a Certificate of Compliance for. ESV Connect provides the amounts of certificates available in each license or REC available under your login. Then click on the blue Certify an Electrical Installation button in the relevant banner. In the Before You Start screen, confirm the responsible person details are correct. Select the type of certificate you need to complete, and then select the licensed electrical worker who performed the work. Then click Submit. Complete all details required by the Certificate of Compliance. New features and help functions in the Certificate of Compliance will assist you in this process. Please note, all fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory fields. If you miss any questions, you will be notified by an error screen and the missing information area will be highlighted. If you are the nominated technical supervisor or REC operator, you can save the certificate here, then the nominated licensed electrical worker can log in and sign the certificate. If you are the licensed worker completing the certificate, you can either save the certificate and certify later, or submit now to certify the Certificate of Compliance and move it forward through the process. At this stage in the process, review the Certificate of Compliance to ensure all completed details are correct. Then select the Actions button from the top right of the screen. If you click Review COC and Return, you will be asked to provide details as to the reason for returning the certificate to draft stage. Please note, all of the information in the Certificate of Compliance remains. No information is lost. If you click Review COC and Approve, and you are satisfied that the Certificate of Compliance is correct, click Submit. If this is a non-prescribed Certificate of Compliance, the certification can now be located in the Completed tab of My Installations, and the Certificate of Electrical Safety will be located in the My Certificates tab on the dashboard. If this is a prescribed Certificate of Compliance, you will need to allocate an electrical inspector or inspection company. To allocate this certificate to an inspector or inspection company, select the Actions button and click on Assign Inspector. Select the inspection company or licensed electrical inspector button and enter your search criteria. You can search by name, license number, contact phone number, or suburb. Select your preferred inspector or inspection company from the results provided. If your selection is correct, click the Submit button to confirm your selection. Your nominated electrical inspector or inspection company will see your invitation to inspect in their My Inspections tab on their dashboard, and you can find the EIC you just allocated to them in the Under Inspection tab of your dashboard. Thank you.